We took the already extremely sporty 3 Series and added another injection of sharpness to make the new 4 Series even more dynamic. Let's have a look. For me, the 4 Series is a very important car. It's the essence of BMW. And now we will see how it performs. Let's rock! Steering has to be precise, and the steering forces have to be quite low, so that's easy to handle. And of course, very performant brakes is key. And here you see a little bit of oversteering. Wonderful. That's what I like. And also the car is very forgiving. For example here, if you do not find the corner exactly at the beginning, it's so easy to correct. And also a good harmony between the chassis and the powertrain. The transmission gives you always the gear you need to perform out of the corners. And this stiff body gives the suspension the ability to be very crisp, very precise, also braking very precise, good pedal feel. And you steer the car through the corners, not only with the steering wheel, but also with the throttle. Very defined, very good. And sheer driving pleasure, I tell you. For me, the 4 Series is the heart of BMW. A very precise, compact coupe with amazing dimensions. When we look at the already very sporty 3 Series, we have made the car nearly 6 centimeters lower. We have lowered the center of gravity, which helps a lot in cornering, and track is wider by more than 2 centimeters. And of course, we have a specific tune of the suspension system, and of course, very performant tires. Because if you combine this chassis with this wonderful powertrain, 6-cylinder inline, typical BMW, 374 horsepower, 500 Newton meters, limited slip diff, and 4-wheel drive, which is always, as you might see, a little bit of oversteering, what I really love. Very good. And this is my last test of the car, giving it to the customers and the press very soon. And I think now it's to the point. During the development phase, I always told my team, make it precise like a scalpel to drive. And the team delivered. A lot of fun, a real ultimate driving machine, a true BMW. And you can drive it yourself from October.